How much did it cost for the entire wedding? झूठा.
This is a very sad story actually. मैं इसको बोल रहा
Because
था.
I was running the show, you
Oh,
idiot. You have to deal with toxic guests.
डीसी मराठा का जो इंटीरियर्स का हम लोगों ने फुल फायदा उठाया है.
मेरी एक ही बार शादी हुई है. अभी हमने
मेरी
जितना
3 बार हुई है.
मेरी अब
दो
तक
जगह
हम-
पता नहीं है. उनको भी समझ में आ गया कि ये थोड़ा बहु मटेरियल है.
थोड़ी सबकी वजह से we could not do a destination wedding and I always wanted to do a destination wedding. Number one thing was pack our entire 3 days ka shit. Both of us are best friends since 8 years. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Prableen.
And I am Rahul.
And this is going to be the most awaited video. Everything that has probably gone right, gone wrong for the wedding, because you guys really wanted a Q&A video, everything related to the wedding. And हमने बैठ के कोई Q&A video नहीं film किया था. So now that we've like sort of a little settled into the new house,
Yeah.
we decided कि हम लोग यहाँ पे आके finally ये shoot कर लेते हैं. So बहुत सारे like we literally have so many questions that you guys have asked and जो भी repeated बहुत सारे questions थे वो हमने club करके एक बनाया. But still I can see more than 35, like we have 40 questions. So we're going to try to keep it like really prompt, quick, but we're going to tell you everything that. Why do you want to do all of this when we're shooting?
प्यास लग रही थी. Candid
मुझे भी दे दे, मुझे भी लग रही
कैंडिड होना चाहिए ना.
है, मुझे भी लग रही है अभी दे दे.
अच्छा है ना तू बोल रही है
खोल.
मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ.
If you're someone that is interested in everything related to प्यार दोस्ती है, because our wedding was like a 2 states wedding. I am Sikh Punjabi and he's Telugu, but both of us are born and brought up in Bombay.
राहुल जंगलदास इंडिया.
Praveen Karvamra, India. Let's get on with the video. But before that, if this is the first time that you're seeing us, then
Please subscribe to our channel.
hit the notification bell.
So that next time whenever we upload a video you get notified.
And without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. The most asked question was, why was Rahul's haldi not in any of the videos?
Family incident हुआ कुछ तो जिसके वजह से we had to call it off. Someone's death.
In the family,
Yeah.
so we could not.
So for
do it.
13 days we couldn't do any क्या auspicious thing. तो
Yeah, and luckily our
we-
function
we
was
cancelled
from
it.
the 14th.
Yeah.
And his haldi was on the 12th from that day. So yeah, that's the
14th
reason.
day
Yeah,
after the
14th.
death.
Yeah, like luckily it did not overlap with our wedding day. So yeah, that was the reason we did not do his haldi like in a really
we did our haldi at home.
home. I'll put some pictures of
Our
Rahul-
haldi नहीं my haldi.
his haldi. My haldi was already supposed to be alag. Like I was not supposed to do it with him because in our tradition the girl and the guy are supposed to do it separately. So anyway हम लोग साथ में नहीं करने वाले थे तो इसकी हल्दी पहले होने वाली थी and then that got cancelled. So that's your answer. Next question is, who did the groom's makeup?
I had no makeup ना.
हाँ, you did not.
I had no makeup. I just had eyebrow क्या
Gel.
gel and that's it.
Who did it?
You.
Okay, the next question is, how did you know that he was the one in this era of fake world?
That's a tricky question.
I think he's actually like so far from all the fakeness. He's exactly, I think, like me in terms of he does not like to like lie or be fake. He's also very no filter. But I feel both of us were very friends kind of people and both of us are best friends since 8 years. And that actually was like the foundation of our relationship. So ऐसा चांस नहीं आया कि I've seen him in any other light. I've always seen him as my best friend, and you can never have a best friend that's a fake best friend. So
True.
that's why it always felt right. Where did you go for your honeymoon? Where did we go, honey?
Dubai.
Yes, our original plan was to go to Dubai and Abu Dhabi, and then we started having so much fun. We did not have any plans. हम
Yeah, we just wanted
took a
to
flight
relax.
and we left.
Because last 2 trips that we went together were Bali and Thailand. So we wanted to do a city.
Yeah, I did not
city
mind
trip.
the
Because
beach
we wanted
life.
to enjoy the luxuries.
Yeah, थोड़ा ऐसे हमें unwind करके थोड़ा bougie setup में जाना था, but it was beautiful.
Yeah.
We did not have any plans. We were just waking up.
No itinerary.
No itinerary, and we did not do. Like we barely did. I think 1-2 दिन के लिए we did the touristy things, but उसको छोड़ के हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया.
First 2 days and then we realized that
we are not meant for this.
नहीं we are meant for this, but on
we're not meant for the touristy things.
No, it's not like that. On our honeymoon we want to relax. So not meant क्या होता है भाई? तो क्या अभी से घूमेंगे नहीं? We are
Itinerary के हिसाब से.
not meant to work hard.
हाँ, like rush things and all that. हम लोग
Touristy things कर सकते हैं but in a relaxed way.
हाँ, like दिन में एक चीज या 2 चीज कर ली
Yeah,
मैक्स.
max.
ऐसे जो होता है ना जो 8-9 चीजें
Not
align
trying to
करते हैं.
finish everything in one trip. We'll go to Dubai again.
Yeah,
and
actually that is what we thought because when we reached there, the last 2 days were supposed to be in Abu Dhabi and तभी F1 के भी races का होने वाले थे races and then we decided
on our dates.
हमारे dates
Later.
के 2 दिन बाद होने वाले थे ना 2-3 दिन बाद तो सब मतलब बेसिकली लोग आने लग गए थे ऐसे समझ में आ रहा था दैट नाउ
अच्छा हुआ नहीं गए, मैक्स तो वैसे भी हार गया, डिसअपॉइंट हो जाता मैं.
the next question is how was your first day as a married couple?
Chaotic.
Yeah, actually, I think for a long time we did not even feel like we were married because we were in the same setup.
It was a lot about people around us more than we feeling something. It was about rituals and things to do. And
हाँ, but
शादी के
actually
next day कुछ था घर पे and
शादी के next day we had to immediately like number one thing was pack our entire 3 days का shit which was so much we did not even anticipate कि इतना time लगेगा हमें उतना सारा सामान पैक करने के लिए all the return gifts all the everything और उसके दिन हमारा सुबह से हम जैसे उठे मुझे साड़ी पहननी थी because it was supposed to be like a surprise for his family they did not know that I was going to wear a sari so
we were standing in the middle and on the left almost like a tree.
It was honestly very chaotic. I think for the next 15-20 days also into the marriage, all we were doing was just doing all these like post-married family things. कहीं जाना है, किनको मिलना है, ये ritual है, ये ऐसा है, मतलब वो ही सब चल रहा था. And हमारे घर पे भी मतलब one of our best friends, Sean, had come from France, so he was also with us. So basically हम लोग अपनी normal life ही continue कर रहे थे. हमारे सब friends every day हमारे घर थे. तो वो पूरा like एकदम ऐसे honeymoon phase actually started post wedding when we took the flight to Dubai. तब तक वो बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. The next question is who was your wedding decor vendor? So we did our wedding का decor from Create EV Decor. They were actually on the panel at our wedding location. They were actually really good. I exactly had a mood board for every event and they actually were able to bring everything to life. थोड़ी जो मैं disappointed थी वो सिर्फ मेहंदी के function में थी because I feel it was too end moment because we were very confused if it's going to rain, if it's not going to rain. That was the only function that was supposed to be outdoors and I was very skeptical and scared ke
but luckily it did not
it did not rain and the next day only it rained in the morning so
God was kind
but they really did a very very good job. Next question is what was our wedding location? Okay, so the wedding location basically there were too many there was a lot of back and forth because I wanted one outdoor location to be extremely Pinteresty but because of a lot of reasons parents नहीं मान रहे थे relatives को बुलाना था वो सब की वजह से we could not do a destination wedding and I always wanted to do a destination wedding so what we did instead was we selected a location in Mumbai which was a little beautiful and out of our budget and we did 3 of the smaller functions except the wedding there so that is how we did the bifurcation and
which is Mehendi, Sangeet and
Haldi.
probably in Haldi.
Yes.
And Chuda ceremony.
And Chuda ceremony. So Chuda ceremony was again Haldi. Chuda ceremony was on the day of the wedding and mainly हमने वो location इसीलिए finalize किया क्योंकि I really liked the entire set for the pre-wedding shoot. मतलब जिस दिन हम लोग का first look जो था मुझे चाहिए था कि मेरा first look वहाँ पे shoot हो. तो the day we went to see the location I was like this is going to be it because मैं इतने locations देख के आई थी और मुझे कोई location उसके जितना अच्छा नहीं लगा.
It is very pretty.
It's too beautiful but it was too expensive.
समझा ही होगा आप लोग को.
It looked like it was out of Bombay. It looked like it was a destination wedding but actually it was not and the location was ITC Maratha which is in near the airport and international airport and we did 3 functions there हमने पूरे और हमारा actual जो wedding का ritual हुआ है that was at Athena Banquets which is in Powai. Now that also is
Supreme
a beautiful location. My parents, his parents loved that place for in fact all functions.
Correct.
But वो location का सिर्फ ये problem था कि वहाँ पे we could not get the pictures that I wanted for all functions. So if you see most of our pictures like सब इतने grand, इतने like out of a movie. Like there's this one video of us हमारे cocktail party के time पे where he is standing and I'm taking that twirl. I think it's one of my favorite shots because it's so grand.
ITC मराठा का जो इंटीरियर्स का हम लोगों ने फुल फायदा उठाया है.
फुल फायदा, लिटरली जो रूम दिख रहा था हम वहाँ भाग रहे थे और वहाँ पे हम शूट कर रहे थे.
बहुत क्रेजी.
एंड उसका जो लॉन था हमारा वेडिंग आउटफिट के अंदर जो हमने शूट किया, दैट वाज वी लिटरली गेव देम 20 minutes बिकॉज we actually missed our muhurat, like the main time that we were supposed to get married.
Last मुहूर्त में we were there.
हाँ, last मुहूर्त में we were there, but original जो हमने सबको invitation पे टाइम दिया था वो टाइम पे हम नहीं पहुंच पाए. But that was like that's a whole different story time.
होता ही है यार.
बरमाला प्रेजर्वेशन कराई. बरमाला प्रेजर्वेशन एक्चुअली एक दो पेजेस ने भी मुझे रीच आउट करके बोला था. We were not इतना keen on like preserving it. I think there were other things. जैसे मुझे चाहिए था कि हमारा wedding outfit हमारे पास preserved रहे, like we could pass it on to, you know, people in the family in the future whenever if at all happens. So वो सब के अंदर I think there are other things
Kids
that
basically.
if at all and when at all it happens.
Kids बोलने में झिझक रही थी.
ऐसे नहीं है, but still वो एक ऐसे it's a thing that holds so much like sentiment. So of course there are things that we'll आगे carry forward if होगा, but no, we did not do a Varmala preservation. Were your friends involved in every shopping trip, every ritual?
Not everyone, but yes.
Yeah, 100%. Like the wedding could not have been possible only if it was not for our friends. Literally our family has not even like been at every shopping spree as much as our friends have. Like हर जगह हर चीज क्या रॉन्ग जा रही है, क्या राइट करनी है, हर चीज का अथॉरिटी, हर चीज का डिटेलिंग सिर्फ उनको पता थी. एंड दे वर कंप्लीटली द वंस दैट वर लाइक रनिंग द शो विद अस. सो यस, एंड दे वर पार्ट ऑफ एवरी रिचुअल. सो व्हेन यू saw the choda ceremony, the thing was that the choda ceremony is usually done by only the mamas, and I had this thing since like I was so close to, I'm so close to all the boys in my group and also the girls, but with the boys I've always had a very emotional relationship because they've really taken care of me a lot. I feel जब से सब लोग मेरे life में आए हैं, so I always like जब भी से भी मैं राहुल को डेट करी थी, I'd always told them कि I want you all to make me wear the chuda because you all actually take care of me. I really made sure कि that happens because it might not be of the traditional way जैसे normally होता है, but it was more of a sentimental thing for me and I wanted to do it, so we did it. Even the kaliras are supposed to be made to worn by the sisters of the bride, but मेरे अंदर my girlfriends Nishtha, Dolly, Aditi, Shrimai, like all the girlfriends were the ones who actually made me wear along with my sisters, but I really wanted them to make me wear it because they were the ones running the show, they were the ones who knew everything. तो मुझे ऐसे नहीं चाहिए था कि उनको कभी वो फीलिंग नहीं आए, क्योंकि मेरे लिए फैमिली ऐसे they are my chosen family. Correct. And they deserved like every bit of it. How did you convince your parents for an interstate marriage?
I convinced my mom and my mom convinced my dad, and eventually they both were happy.
Yeah.
So it was easy. How did I, मतलब मैंने सिर्फ बताया how my friendship, how I told my mom how good she is as a person and सब इसके good qualities है, subtly बताता रहता था उनको.
That is
and
true.
To tell her ऐसे little things, how she takes care of me and everything. So she got an idea and then उनको भी समझ में आ गया कि ये थोड़ा बहु मटेरियल है. थोड़ी वही पहले मम्मी को सॉर्ट किया completely,
फिर मम्मी ने आगे सॉर्ट कर लिया.
धीरे धीरे उन्होंने डैड को ये किया and then dad also started talking. डैड भी जल्दी मान ही गए थे.
His family is very like chill and they're sorted like that. ऐसा कुछ stress नहीं था. For my family is very religious, so for them to agree to this was a little bit of a challenge. But I think my mom was convinced like from the get-go because she knew. I think she saw us together and she was like, "You guys are supposed to be together." मतलब she got a very good vibe from him, and I feel के because she knows me so well, she knew के ये मुझे संभाल देगा. So that's why
संभाल रहा हूँ, ये मुझे संभाल रही.
So हाँ, मेरी मॉम जल्दी कन्विंस हो गई थी, मेरे डैड को थोड़ा टाइम लगा, बट
वो भी हो गए थे.
and I love their, I feel in the end it all comes down to how happy you both are with each other, because that literally reflects, and once they see that, eventually everything comes into place. Kitna bhi you'll try to convince people, if you both are not happy, they are going to see it and they are going to be like kya ho raha hai. But hamare liye, like, touch wood, both of us, they were seeing us, they were feeling so happy. My dad also like loves him now. He like laughs at all of his jokes. जबकि हमारे घर पे कोई इतना funny नहीं है. He is the first person who is the funny one, and he keeps cracking all these stupid jokes and then makes everyone laugh. Do you know Telugu, Prableen? No, my husband does not know Telugu, so
I know.
He
but
barely
I
knows
can
it.
understand, but I cannot speak that fluently.
या मतलब श्रीमय अगर फास्ट बोलेगी तो इसको नहीं समझता
है।
झूठा।
मूवीज को मेरे को सबटाइटल लगा के देखना पड़ता है।
उसको समझना नहीं होते। When did you start planning the wedding? We actually did it quite late. मतलब हमारी एंगेजमेंट अप्रैल एंड में हुई। इसको नींद आ रही है गधा।
3-4 months before the wedding.
एंड सब लोग जो इतना स्ट्रेस लेते हैं कि अरे पूरा
यही
एक
थी
साल।
वो, मैं इसको बोल रहा था।
Because I was running the show, you idiot.
Oh, show.
He was present everywhere, but the brains, like how it has to be, what it needs to look like, how it needs to be executed, everything. I knew what I wanted. He did not have anything.
I also knew what I wanted. Court marriage and a reception. But obviously she knew what she wanted and she did exactly the same. I just had to be there, ना.
So हमने actually में 4 महीने पहले सोचा that we want to do it, and then हो गया।
4 महीने पहले नहीं सोचा भाई, एंगेजमेंट के पहले सोचा था ना कि शादी करेंगे ना।
नवंबर
दिसंबर प्लान था, बट एक्चुअली मैं
प्रीपोन हो गया।
एक्टिंग ऑन थिंग्स फॉर
Started
वेडिंग
from I think July and August.
Yeah, August, September, October, yeah.
हाँ।
3 months
3 months
में किया है। ये बोल रही थी 1 साल पहले लोग
अभी
लोकेशंस 1 साल
मैंने तो अभी मेरी अकेले एक ही बार शादी हुई है।
1-2 साल पहले क्या करेंगे?
मेरी एक ही बार शादी हुई है। अभी हमने
मेरी 3 बार हुई है।
मेरी अब
2
तक
जगह पता नहीं है।
अब तक हमने जितना भी देखा है, सब लोग क्या बोलते हैं 1 साल 2 साल पहले से करना होता है, सब बोलते हैं, बट व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड टू डू इट, कुछ जरूरत नहीं होती। 6 months टॉप्स, लाइक टॉप्स यू नीड 6 months, उससे ज्यादा तो टाइम जरूरत भी नहीं है। एंड आवर्स वाज, वी वर वेरी, हमने लिटरली वेडिंग सीजन स्टार्ट होने के लाइक 1 हफ्ते पहले की है। सो इन दैट सेंस हम लोग को प्राइजेस में भी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस मिला।
10 to 15% चीपर था।
हाँ, सो दैट्स व्हाई। हाउ मच डिड यू बोथ स्पेंड ऑन योर आउटफिट्स?
1.5 लाख।
इसके तो सब आउटफिट्स आई थिंक 1 लाख के अंदर आ गए थे। मेरा वेडिंग आउटफिट
सब नहीं 1.5
आ गए थे।
नहीं, वो रिसेप्शन के महंगे हो गए थे थोड़े।
हाँ, नहीं मेरे तो आई थिंक आउटफिट, मेरे 1-2 आउटफिट्स मेरे जो मेन थे वो सोर्स थे। मेहंदी वाला आउटफिट और कॉकटेल का आउटफिट दोनों सोर्स था। जो साड़ी थी दैट वाज इन कोलैबोरेशन बार्टर, तो वहाँ पे मेरे पैसे बच गए। जो अमानी वाला आउटफिट था दैट वाज आल्सो बार्टर, जो मेरी हल्दी में मैंने पहना था, दैट वाज फॉर आई थिंक 5,000 रुपीज, एंड द वेडिंग आउटफिट वाज फॉर 48,000, 47-48,000. What was your favorite outfit of all the functions? And actually तू मेरा आंसर का, मैं तेरा आंसर करती हूँ।
You will answer what was my favorite outfit.
No, you will answer what was your favorite outfit on me.
संगीत
Really?
and wedding. First wedding, second संगीत, या उल्टा भी हो सकता है।
इतना अच्छा लग रहा था संगीत का आउटफिट। मेरा फेवरेट वाज तो द मेहंदी। आई थिंक द मेहंदी आउटफिट वाज द बेस्ट
Because it had पगड़ी.
No, he looked so good.
And what about संगीत?
संगीत was a bomb यार।
And
But
what about wedding?
wedding, I think for me first has to be mehendi, then has to be the wedding. I think these two were my favorite. Sangeet was nice, but those are the things that people have seen. समझ रहा है? मेहंदी completely एक different look था और उसमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था। And he got also so many compliments. Did you have to deal with toxic guests?
हाँ ठीक है। I did not have to deal with any.
I think उड़ती खबरें मिलती है, but we did not have to like take care of anything.
Because you know people will always have shit to talk about, so
that is true. And neither of us, like, he still थोड़ा सा I feel gives थोड़ा भी importance. I think I तो really don't care.
नहीं, it bothers me for a while, but I am practical, so
he lets it go for it. Like out of our control, so क्या करेंगे बहुत अगर like सोच के उसके बारे में।
It affects when you don't expect that from a few people, but eventually you understand who is close to you and who matters
the most. Is Rahul interested in content creation? Not really. I think that's why the couple page that we have on Instagram is going to be more of just like a diary of everything that we share and whatever is there in our life. The YouTube is where we are going to be most active because that is like day to day of our life. और वो भी mostly मेरा ही POV होता है because I like to vlog and I wanted a different page because I feel vlogs on my page don't really make sense. I wanted it to be more like educational, more like makeup, all of वो सब चीज़ों के related like
And
hauls
sorry.
and all of that hauls वो सब चीज़ें मुझे ज़्यादा करनी थी on my page and couples page पे मुझे ज़्यादा करना था ये
Vlogs.
सब हाँ like vlogs
Just to show
Just
what
challenges.
we do in our life.
हाँ like थोड़े fun challenges if we want to do things related to our friends अगर हम कोई random trip मार रहे हैं और हमने उसको vlog करना है so all of that will be on the couples page.
Yeah.
So in that way, I think post wedding we got a little more clarity that he absolutely does not want to do content creation.
But I say he absolutely does not. YouTube भी तो content creation ही है ना.
When do you remove those bangles? I have removed
After
them
50 days,
already.
she removed it.
Yeah, I was supposed to remove it after 41 days, but मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं था निकालने का. मुझे तो 50 days के बाद में भी नहीं मन था निकालने का because मुझे बहुत रोना आ रहा था. But I just had to because Rahul was getting irritated.
हाँ क्योंकि हमने जिम का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लिया था.
और जिम में मैं वो ले कर रही
How
थी.
will she move?
I was moving.
Yeah.
He was finding it too funny and then he was mocking me and then I was
Funny और comfortable भी नहीं था ना यार एक it wasn't suiting.
And the final question that we have is how much did it cost for the entire wedding?
60 lakhs.
So I think मतलब सब कुछ मिला के our stay, our food, हमारे outfits, ढोल, music, decor, like all of that included was 60 lakhs. ऊपर से थोड़ा बहुत गया होगा तो गया होगा, but ऊपर से जो हम लोग
60
ने
to
पूरा
65 tops. मतलब वही बफर ऊपर से अभी वो हम लोग को exactly पता नहीं ना. So
and our budget that we originally decided was 35 lakhs.
नहीं
And
initially we decided 30, 15 each.
15 each and it directly went double. So
He's the culprit.
I had the wedding of my dreams how I wanted. I did not do a destination
तो
wedding
इसलिए
for
पैसा वसूल है तो ठीक है बट मैं सिर्फ बोल रहा हूँ कि कोर्ट मैरिज
और मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है wedding पे.
हाँ ट्रू कोर्ट मैरिज और रिसेप्शन होता तो हो जाता आराम
और
से
बच
35.
जाता. But it's fine. Like we'll make more money and we
If
can
you
recover
are
from all of
happy,
that.
तो फिर सब पैसा वसूल है.
मतलब वो सब चीजें can be done again. Like
Yeah.
I know that it's a very
और वो
impractical,
सब चीजें can be done again.
illogical.
शादी
नहीं मतलब पैसे वापस कमाए जा सकते हैं but
मुझे लगा
wedding का
शादी वापस किया जा सकता. लॉल dude डरा रही है.
like it's a very impractical thing to say in today's time because everyone's so like technical and logical about where they spend their money and कितना save
हाँ, और वो
and
calculations देखता हूँ ना
invest
मैं.
and all of that.
You
But
should spend इतना % of your net worth. Lol.
we
All
really
that
did
is-
not care honestly.
Doesn't
मतलब
matter.
for me it was very clear that this is the man of my dreams. This is who I want to marry. This is who I want to marry.
Whoa, dude.
And
Man of your dreams.
I did not want to like think कि shit यार मैंने ये चीज नहीं की because India
Initially,
actually
हाँ.
runs on emotion.
Correct.
So we can't really
But
get
it's
up and
not
be.
about India. It's about you. What do you want?
I am an emotional person, so I
Yeah,
want
so
to
don't
do
talk about
everything.
India.
अरे
You did what you want.
Indians run on emotions in general. तो अगर मैं भी कोई बाहर पढ़ के आती और मैं दिमाग यहाँ जैसा नहीं होता तो मैं भी सोचती कि क्यों पैसे खर्चे करने हैं.
मैं तो बाहर पढ़ के नहीं आया फिर भी मेरे को लगता है ना कि
बट तेरे से ज्यादा मैं ये सब चीजें ज्यादा ड्रामेटिक और ज्यादा बॉलीवुड टाइप हूँ ना.
हाँ बहुत इमोशनल IQ इसका है.
That is true. But yeah, I had the best time. I literally have worked through the wedding. I have worked fucking hard.
And I've relaxed, enjoyed. I was there with her, but दिमाग तो obviously देखो भाई जिसको पता होता है क्या करना उसको सबसे ज्यादा काम करना पड़ता है. जिसको पता ही नहीं होता वो क्या ही कर सकता है. I
तो
was
ये
just
सिर्फ
there to
चलते रह रहा
support.
था.
चलते रह रहा था मतलब क्या है भाई.
But he was there with me.
Yeah,
but
being there also is very important.
100%.
मैं तो बोल सकता जा अकेले कर सब. वैसे भी बिकॉज मेरे चॉइसेस बैड है अकॉर्डिंग टू हर तो वैसे भी सब यही पिक करती है.
Yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any other questions, we would love to do a part 2 of this. And actually, I feel हम लोग को एक breakdown करना चाहिए of every function क्या कैसे हुआ because I feel that will be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
He's least interested. But thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
We really hope you enjoyed watching.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and
The
subscribe
share button.
and share and
We will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.